Hello you guys, welcome back with Astro AOZA, and today we're doing part 2 to this Minecraft baseball stadium. I have Elytra, that way I can move faster. So we are going to be doing the outfield today, and I might upload another video today, but you won't have to do it. It would take a long time, but I think it would make it look better. It's basically just putting in concrete for the grass. But that's a different video. And this is my 4th attempt at this, because 2 times I had stuff wrong with all of this stuff. Then the last time, my video was too long to upload because for some reason on the iPod, it can't upload videos longer than 15 minutes, but it can on my iPad for some reason. So this is my 4th attempt and I should just get going. So I changed those a little bit to what it looks like over here, and I have it done on that side, the outfield, that way it's not super long. So basically for that part of the infield, you have to go 2 away, so on the second away from the base, from first and third, you will, so wait, is it the second block or the third block? Let me check. So yeah, on the second block away, you put 1 block of red sand coming out, and then 3, and then you connect this to that first, or to that second 3. So you connect it to the 3, just going straight, and then on the bottom, you connect it to that first, like, dent thing. And then on the next one, on everyone, you come out 2 more. So this 3 is now a 5. And then you fill that all in. And these signs are that way I don't forget. But make sure I don't forget, like, how long this is. So if I start at minus 29, that's 60 blocks. So I start at minus 29. I should go to minus 89. So I'm going to go to minus 89 right now. And 8, minus 89. So there. Now, at minus 89, we have to go out 50. So now we are going to be going. So now it's the last one that changes. So 50 blocks from 0 would be 50. That's easy. Or negative 50. Depends on what direction we're in. Okay. So now we're at negative 50. So now we come in and do 10. So 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then we do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we do 10 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we do 2. And then 3. And then 2. And then there's 4 ones in total, so there's 2 on that side. And now we have connected it. So that is basically all you have to do for the outfield shaping, and then you just have to repeat that on the other side. So you can just rewind the video to the very beginning. Why do I keep sneaking? And then you can go watch it again and just do it on the other side. So, before I end the video, that should not be longer than 15 minutes, you guys need to vote right now in the corner. Do you want it to be the Minecraft Creepers or the Minecraft Zombies that the theme is? What one do you want? And there's one more thing in the video. We have to make this shape, so for a little bit of curvature, that way it doesn't look weird, because that would be a weird corner to an outfield. Instead, we're going to make it look like that. That looks a lot better. So let's go over here. And so for this shape, you need to dig in one, and then dig those corners out. Go back two, and then dig the corner out, dig those out, and then go back one more. So, in case you were confused, I will do that slower one more time. So, dig out one, the corner, and then dig out these two corners, just like that. And now, dig the corners out again. Dig them out one more time. And go one more back. So now, we have our shape. And now, the last thing we need to do is fill it in. So, it would be like that. But we'd have to get rid of one thing so the corners of each block aren't touching. So we would just break those like that, and there you go. That is how you would do it. If you were confused or anything on that, then I'm just gonna dig out the dirt. That way it's not confusing. You guys can look at this. So that is the shape. Basically, it's 2, and then 1, and then that 2 over there. So that is the shape. And, yeah. So the next episode will be an optional one. It will be coloring the grass with green and lime. That'll probably come out today also. So, and now I'm planning, because I haven't uploaded in so long, I want to upload every other day at least. Probably every day most of the time, sometimes I'm gonna take a break for like one day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So next episode will be the coloring, or coloring the grass, and then the one after, which will probably come out tomorrow, will be the walls. And a week from now, I will see what the votes say. So yeah, bye.